Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. You want to ring in the new year with something fun this year? Instead of having a boring old party where nothing is going on, why don't you add one of these activity chains? I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need colorful strips of paper, 1 inch by 11 inch, Sharpie pens, and tape, and a pair of scissors. If you want to do this as a group activity before you begin your New Year's celebrations, what you would do is hand these out to folks and ask them to write down a fun activity. And that could be, make paper hats. And it might be make kitchen noisemakers. Whatever they are. You come up with a whole bunch of ideas, and then you have them handed in to the host so that the host can make sure that you don't get any duplicates. And then what you want to do is just take your strip of paper, wrap it like you do a paper chain, and just take a little piece of tape and put that little piece of tape on the end there. You want to make sure that the activity is hidden on the inside. Then you want to bring your next one through, put it over top, put a little piece of tape, and you want to continue that whole chain until you end up looking like this. Then what you want to do is hang this up in a place that it's really easy and accessible for everybody. And as the night goes on, every half hour, every 15 minutes, every time things get a little dull, all you do is you go and you open up one and you read what it says. Write down your resolutions, put them in a box, wrap the box, and hide the box away for next year. Now you might need some ideas to get you started, and so on my website I've actually got a page where I have about 25 different ideas for you to write inside of these chains. But I think if you leave it up to your friends and your guests that you'll end up with some really, really good ones. Super simple, really fun way to get the evening going, especially if there happens to be a lull in your New Year's. And there you have it, your very own New Year's Eve activity chain. Shall we see what I'm going to have to do next? Ooh, play the card game War or another game. I got to go get my deck of cards. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.